Today, I'm going to show you this 3-layer edit effect. You know it's usually done in fancy softwares like After Effects, but you know there are just few simple procedures that should not scare you off at all. So let's find out how we can do that in Filmora. Drag down the video clips that you are going to use for this effect down into the timeline. If you are doing it according to the bit, maybe you have to space these clips according to your bit. Alright, now that we have all the clips prepared in the timeline, go to the effects and then search for the mask. Now, drag down the image mask onto this clip. And then on the effects properties, adjust the mask settings like this. Go back to the effects again and then add the border effect. You have to copy these effects and then paste them on under remaining videos. And for that, just right-select your video and then use this option right here, which is copy the effects and then paste the effects. You may need to readjust the masks again just a little bit for every individual clip. And now, of course, the thing here is to adjust the transformation of each and every clip, positioning it onto the very area or portion that you want it on. Or as you can see right here, I'm adjusting my clips in this way. But after I've done this, I'm going to show you guys how to do it in a 3D look with a very interesting look. That's all simple also, but I will show you how it's all done after we are done this vertical style here. Alright, now the following step right here is to adjust the clip speed. Like in this case right here, I can reduce them to something like 60 or 70, and then set them to the optical flow. But now there's one little thing that should be done also, and that is a stretching effect. Alright, as you have seen on my preview, there's a stretching effect that shows up right on the starting frames, right? So for that, you can select right here to unlock the scale, and this allows you to deal with each of these individually. You can deal with the X or with the Y separately. Like in this way right here, we would like to increase the X without affecting the Y. And this gives it this stretching look that you are seeing right now on the preview screen. And then I add a keyframe. Repeat the same style on other 2 remaining clips. Now this is all about it. And let's move on to the 3D kind of a look, which is very interesting. You'd like to see that. Alright, so the very first thing I do is to hide these 3 video layers here, and then duplicate the video on the very first video track here. Now we need to cut the background of this top one right here so that we have that illusion of other clips behind this man. You can either use the AI portrait or the smart cutout. And now after that, you can again unhide those 3 video layers. And now as you can see right here, all these video clips are now behind this guy, the main character in the main video clip, but you can stylize it your way. Alright, like in this case right here, I can just remove one of these clips like this one right here, and then put it on top so that it will be in front of the main character.
CapCut stumbles, trying to race. Filmora strides are full of grace. With AI cutouts and keyframe finesse, CapCut's confusion feels like a mess. Enhanced audio noise, no more. Filmora opens every...
Alright, and then after that, I think you can just convert these 2 clips right here into a common clip. Alright, one after the other. Now you have to go to the Effects tab right here. And then, under the Boris Effects, search for the BBC Cast Shadow Effect, and then apply it on the very first clip. Now you can go to the Effects properties right there. You're going to see this option right here, which is the image plane. You can just play around these settings as you can see I'm doing here, which gives the 3D illusion. And when you are done, you can repeat the same procedure on the other clip. when all that is done, you are done, my dear friend. This is your wonderful 3D layer edit done in Wondershare Filmora. And as you can see, it is so impressive. Thank you so much for watching this video to this very point, everybody. You like more? Subscribe and share the content. Keep coming so that you can watch this next video right there. Peace.